What is it about music that evokes such emotion? And why is it that when we hear the same music, those feelings are shared? There's definitely something magical about that common connection. It has primeval roots, and it's the reason why music is almost universally popular. Roots of Rhythm is a drum platform focused on that connection and on teaching to play drums with musicality and feel. There are some really amazing drummers online, and some of them are playing very complex and fast patterns, really advanced stuff. And as a self-professed drum geek, I just love that stuff, and I have nothing but respect for the dedication and the years of hard work that it takes to play at that level. And that's what it does take, years of commitment. It is easy to get intimidated though. It's really easy to feel like, oh man, I suck, or I'll never be able to do that.
I can't do it.
I certainly feel that way sometimes. I can just imagine what it's like for a newbie. But comparing yourself to those masters is not a good idea. It can be very discouraging and make you feel like wanting to quit. It's certainly okay to watch them for inspiration, for something to strive towards, and I'm sure that you can if you put in the time and effort. But then I think about the goal of the musician and the music itself. Is it to bewilder and astonish the listener? Well, for some, I suppose it is. Or is the more important goal to connect with other musicians and with the audience, to feel that shared connection? I heard Dave Grohl talk the other day about what makes the best drummer. Is it technical proficiency or someone who plays with feel? And his response was, if you can play a beat and make people want to get up and dance, then you are a badass. And then I also think, as a teacher, is it my job to show off my abilities, or is it to teach you how to improve yours? At Roots of Rhythm, our goal, our focus is on you and how we can help you to become a more musical drummer. A drummer who feels and enhances the music, who connects with others, and to be a badass. And not only a badass, but a healthy badass. Now here comes my did you know moment. It's proven that listening to music stimulates the brain. Well, playing music lights it up like fireworks. New networks are created and your brain becomes better connected, helping you with memory, with learning, and with creativity. And you get all the pleasurable benefits of increased dopamine, making you happier, more motivated, and more satisfied. And also endorphins are released, which helps control pain, reduce depression, anxiety, and stress. And as a therapeutic tool, you can use it to strengthen your focus, your self-expression, and your confidence. Immeasurable mental health benefits. And if you play drums, especially moving around on the kit, you also get physical health benefits. It's a real workout playing the drums. It burns calories, improves motor skills, and other athletic performance skills. It's good for your heart, it improves circulation, it lowers your cortisol and blood pressure, it boosts your immune system, and it relieves chronic pain. And there's a lot more. This is why playing drums is so powerful and can literally be life-changing. So whether you're a beginner on drums, or you used to play and you just need to shake off some rust, maybe you've just got some friends who want to jam and need a drummer. Hey, maybe you're a guy like me who's close to retirement or already retired, and you're just looking for something fun to do that's good for your health and will connect you with others. Regardless of your reason, everyone is welcome at Roots of Rhythm, and we hope you'll subscribe and join us in our community.